In today's video, we will see 5 simple steps that can lead you to wealth. If you are currently broke, if you are at zero, have no money at all, these 5 basic steps are what lead to wealth. Stay until the end of this video to see the entire strategy, the whole wealth building process, and of course, like the video right now, for good karma. First of all, becoming rich is not just a matter of luck or genetic inheritance. It is a process that requires a specific strategy, patience, and persistence. The difference between those who remain financially stagnant and those who manage to achieve true financial freedom is that the latter apply specific tactics and think differently. If you want to change your financial situation, you must first change the way you think. Below, we will look at the 5 key steps that can lead you to financial independence and wealth. Number 1. If you don't believe it, it won't happen. The first and most important step to becoming rich is changing your mindset. Most people grow up with beliefs that prevent them from achieving financial success. They have heard from a young age that rich people are bad, that only the lucky become rich, or that to get rich you have to exploit others and many other things. However, the reality is very different. Rich people think of money as a tool for freedom, not as something negative or bad. They don't see wealth as a goal, but as a result of making the right decisions, investments, and continuous learning. You need to become rich. You need to uproot the limiting beliefs that hold you back. Believe that you can achieve it. Take responsibility for your life, and start thinking like the rich. If you always see yourself as poor or mediocre, or as someone who can't, then that's what you'll remain. On the contrary, if you deeply believe within yourself that you can achieve financial freedom, and start thinking and acting like a rich person, you will begin to also attract opportunities and change your path. Number 2, Mom. Financial success starts with managing your money. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you can't manage it properly, most people spend whatever they earn, no matter how much it is, and often even more, sinking into debt. To acquire wealth, you need to learn to spend wisely and save strategically. Every time you want to buy something, ask yourself, do I really need it, or is it an impulsive decision? Wealthy people do not spend money thoughtlessly. On the contrary, they make sure to direct their money towards investments and opportunities that yield them more profits. A useful system is the 48-hour rule. If you see something, wait for 2 days. If after 48 hours, you still really want it, and have thought about how it will affect your finances, then you can buy it. This way, you avoid impulsive purchases that keep you in a vicious cycle of financial stagnation. Number 3. Conservative investments. Saving alone is not enough. Money that just sits in a bank account loses its value due to inflation. If you really want to increase your wealth, you need to consistently invest in low-risk assets. Some conservative investments that lead to wealth accumulation in the long term include ETFs, bonds, dividend stocks, and shares of large stable companies with a long track record of growth. If you invest a certain amount in low-risk investments every month, then your money will start working for you, not the other way around. Start a side hustle. Relying solely on one salary is the biggest mistake you can make. The system wants you to have a stable job, because that way it keeps you trapped. However, if you want true freedom, you need to create at least one additional source of income. Start a side hustle, meaning a parallel activity that can bring you money. It can be something simple at first, like freelancing, selling products online, creating digital content, or offering services. The secret, however, is not to stay with a small income. You need to turn the side hustle into a real business. Most online businesses started as small ventures, but evolved into major sources of income. Number 5. Invest in high-ticket assets. Once you have laid the foundation for your financial growth, it's time for the next step, high-yield investments. Here we are talking about investments with greater risk, but also significantly higher potential returns. These include buying or creating a business that can generate passive income for you, investing in growth stocks that have the potential to skyrocket in the future, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain projects which, if done strategically, can yield enormous profits. This stage is for those who are willing to play at the next level. It doesn't mean you have to risk all your money, but if you want true financial freedom, you need to learn to take calculated risks. If you want to learn more about stock market investments, stocks, cryptocurrencies, check out the related online seminars in the video description below. And as always, stay away from scams.